I'll show you the exact verified way to set up a PayPal account so you can get paid by global clients without the fear of being blocked. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Before you even click sign up, you need to understand the PayPal account types. The personal account is primarily for shopping and sending money. If you try to receive freelance or business payments here, you risk a permanent ban. The business account is the gold standard. This allows you to receive payments from over 200 countries and, most importantly, it is the only account type that fully supports businesses. Even if you don't have a registered company, you can sign up as an individual or sole proprietorship using your legal name as your business name. Let's navigate the sign-up process. Navigate to paypal.com. Always check to ensure you are on the legal PayPal portal. Click Sign Up and select Business Account. Use a fresh Gmail address that hasn't been linked to a previous failed PayPal attempt. Enter your name exactly as it appears on your international passport. If your ID says Jake but you type Peter, your account will fail the biometric check. Select Individual, and for the category, choose the one that best fits your work. Example, digital goods, computer programming, or consulting. Recently, PayPal introduced facial biometric identity verification. Once you sign up, you'll receive an email or a notification in your account. You'll need to download the latest version of the PayPal mobile app. The app will ask you to scan the front and back of your ID and then take a live selfie while blinking. This is a high security measure to stop identity theft, and it usually takes just a few minutes to get approved. Now that the PayPal account is created successfully and can send, receive, and withdraw, the final step is to link a debit or credit card to lift your withdrawal limits. To learn how to do that, click to watch this video after this. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best PayPal video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.